Hello everyone, this is Liam from Sangobuild. I'm engaged in the roofing materials business over 6 years.
Hello everyone, this is Sally from Sangobuild too, and this is my 9th year in Sangobuild. Today I'm so glad to be with my partner Liam to help this interview.
Okay, the idea comes from the online canteen fair. Because of the coronavirus this year, many customers they cannot visit our factory. So how to get the trust from them and how to show them about our production and the products and our single builders, that is the problems we need to solve.
Yeah, exactly. In my opinion, selling products is also concerning about selling ourselves.
Yeah.
So every single builders do love our products. So at the meantime, we also transfer such kind of passion and love to every of our clients.
Yeah. On the hand, the video and the living show is a very interesting and unique way for marketing, right?
Yeah.
We are trying to bring the new things for our customer. On the other hand, it is a great chance to enhance the team cooperation.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, Sangobuild had tried about 6 live broadcasting before this show, and the main purpose is to show our clients our profession and to make our clients trust Sangobuild and Sangobuild products.
Yeah. And this show is just one of the way we are getting your trust.
Yeah, that's right. Talking about Sangobuild products, I'm so proud of them now because we have got so many high compliments from our distributors and end users. They are so satisfied with the Sangobuild quality.
Yes, certainly.
Yeah. Sangobuild roofing products is a big improvement compared with the concrete tile and the clay tile, especially our stone roofing products. They are in very rich colors and various designs for customer choice. And the most important thing is that they can be the lifetime roofing materials for your house, and you don't need to re-roof your again in your lifetime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sangobuild team are also very creative, full of passion, and we put much love and concern on what we do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very honored to have such team, and I'm also proud to be one of them. I'm sure that you will have some feeling from the performance we are going to do.
Yes, right.